Welcome to our academic journey. Ever thought of your research proposal as a treasure map leading to academic gold? Let's embark on this quest, one step at a time. Hey there, have you ever thought about those adventure movies? The ones with the treasure maps leading to unknown riches? Well, your research proposal is your very own map. Only, instead of gold or jewels, it leads to new knowledge and discoveries. Cool, right? Staring at an empty document can be like standing at the base of a massive mountain. Daunting, for sure. But think of the view from the top. Your research proposal is like your hiking gear, helping you navigate the climb. So, shall we begin the ascent? First base camp, that is the introduction. Here's where you get warmed up. What's the core of your study? If the whole world of research is like a vast library, where does your book fit? Imagine you're in an elevator and have a few floors to explain your idea to someone. What would you say? Craft a pitch that grabs attention. With that dome, we trek to the literature review plateau. It's like looking at trails others have traveled before you. Who else has ventured near your mountain? What routes did they take? By examining previous research, you'll understand the landscape and spot the unexplored paths. Your goal? Find the unique route only you can see. Next, the research questions viewpoint. This is your vision. What is the vista you hope to see from the top? What burning questions will drive your ascent? Nail these down because they'll keep you motivated on the steepest climbs. On to the methodology ridge. Okay, so you've got a mountain to climb and a vision of the view. But how will you get there? This is your step-by-step route. Will you take the rugged path or the winding scenic route? In research terms, how will you gather your data and make sense of it as we climb higher? Consider the research implications. Once you reach the summit, what will the world see? How will your discoveries make waves? Picture this. If you discover a new path, how will it benefit future hikers? Dream big and paint a vivid picture. Now, the timeline, think of it as your trek schedule. Every step of the way, you need to know where you're headed next. Plan out your journey. It's like deciding where you'll camp each night on your climb, ensuring you're on track and well rested. Here's a golden nugget that is celebrate every milestone. Made it through a challenging stretch. Awesome. Take a moment, enjoy a hot cocoa by the campfire or whatever floats your boat. Revel in the small victories. They fuel the bigger journey. And hey, teamwork makes the dream work. Navigating unfamiliar terrains can be tricky, but guess what? There are fellow researchers, mentors, even friends who can lend you their map, share experiences, or simply be your cheer squad. Collaborate, discuss, share. It's a game changer. And if you find yourself lost in a fog, every explorer faces it. Those moments of doubt or confusion. But remember, sometimes the best views come after the hardest climbs. Take a breather, reassess, maybe even seek a guide. Before you know it, the path will clear. Your research proposal is more than just another piece of paper. It's the beginning of an epic adventure. Each section, each word, propels you forward, pushing boundaries and expanding horizons. It's about the journey as much as the destination. Every high, every low, every twist and turn shapes you. So, with map in hand and eyes on the prize, are you ready to begin this grand expedition? The path to discovery awaits. If you are finding this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay updated and join us on this academic adventure.